Welcome to our English conversation series. Today we have an exciting topic lined up as we delve into the world of travel experiences. Our guest will share their adventures abroad, giving us insights into different cultures, languages, and memorable moments. Let's dive right in. Hello Mark, how was your USA trip? How did you enjoy?
Hi Emma, my trip to the USA was fantastic. I enjoyed every moment of it. From exploring vibrant cities like New York and Los Angeles.
Where is that country located?
The USA is located in North America.
What is it famous for?
The USA is known for its cultural achievements and landmarks.
What are the special food and drinks of that country?
There are many. They are known for fast food, dairy, and many beverages.
What do you like about that country?
I like the fast pace of life and the various subcultures.
What language do people there speak?
The national language is English, but many people also speak Spanish, French, German, and Chinese.
Do you want to go back there again?
Yes, I do. It's a beautiful country.
Why do people like to travel abroad?
They just want to discover new places, learn new cultures, and maybe speak new languages.
What was your favorite experience during your trip to the USA?
One of my favorite experiences was visiting the Grand Canyon. The breathtaking views were unforgettable.
Did you try any traditional American dishes while you were there?
Yes, I tried a classic New York-style pizza, and also indulged in some southern barbecue ribs. Both were delicious.
Were there any cultural differences that surprised you?
One cultural difference that surprised me was the emphasis on personal space and privacy, compared to where I come from. People in the USA tend to value their personal space more.
Did you visit any famous landmarks or tourist attractions?
Yes, apart from the Grand Canyon, I also visited the Statue of Liberty in New York City and the Hollywood Walk of Fame in Los Angeles.
How did you find the transportation system in the USA?
The transportation system was quite efficient. I mostly used the subway in New York City and found it convenient for getting around.
Were there any challenges you faced during your trip?
One challenge I faced was the language barrier in some places, especially when I traveled to rural areas where English wasn't as commonly spoken.
Did you meet any interesting people during your travels?
Yes, I met a local artist in San Francisco who shared fascinating insights into the city's art scene and history.
Would you recommend traveling to the USA to others?
Absolutely. It's a diverse country with so much to offer in terms of culture, landscapes, and experiences. It's definitely worth exploring.
Do you have any plans for future travel destinations?
Yes, I'm planning to visit Japan next year to experience its rich culture, cuisine, and natural beauty.
How has traveling abroad impacted your life?
Traveling abroad has broadened my perspective, allowed me to appreciate different cultures, and has given me unforgettable memories to cherish.
Did you encounter any language barriers during your trip?
Yes, navigating signs and menus in foreign languages was challenging at times, but it added to the adventure.
What souvenirs did you bring back from your trip?
I brought back some local crafts and artwork to remind me of the unique places I visited.
Did you try any adventurous activities during your travels?
Yes, I went skydiving in Hawaii, which was an exhilarating and unforgettable experience.
How did you find the weather during your trip?
The weather varied from place to place, but overall, it was pleasant and enjoyable for exploring.
Were there any cultural events or festivals happening during your visit?
Yes, I attended a traditional music festival in New Orleans, which was a lively and vibrant celebration of local culture.
Did you interact with the locals and learn about their way of life?
Absolutely. Meeting locals and learning about their customs and traditions was one of the highlights of my trip.
What advice would you give to someone planning their first trip abroad?
I would advise them to research and plan ahead, but also stay open to unexpected adventures and experiences along the way.
Did you face any travel delays or unexpected challenges?
Yes, I had a flight delay once, but it gave me extra time to explore the airport and try some local snacks.
How did you stay connected with friends and family back home during your travels?
I used a combination of social media, messaging apps, and occasional phone calls to stay in touch with loved ones.
Thank you for joining us for this insightful conversation on travel experiences. We hope you enjoyed hearing about our guests' adventures and gained some valuable vocabulary and phrases for your English learning journey. Don't forget to leave your comments below and share your own travel stories. Until next time, happy travels and happy learning.